Hey, yo, what's happening, everyone? It's your boy Tone with Empire Promotional Services, man. We back in the building today. Today's video, we're going to get into it, man. We're going to talk about what is the RMS. A lot of people don't know what RMS stands for, but if you stick around to the end of this video, by the end of this video, which is going to be short, you'll know what RMS is and how you implement it. And just, I mean, it's just simple. Let us speak for themselves, all right? Now come back.
Wave Tech is popping.
All right, y'all, we back. We tapping in. We going to get to this video. Hey, before we go any further, listen, if you like the content that you see, do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification. All notifications is great notifications. Drop a comment, share the video, man. Listen, the only way, with the way things is going now, the only way that as content creators and people with channels can grow is if you share, we all share together. You feel me? So, I said in the beginning, today's video is going to be about RMS. So what is RMS, you ask? Man, I'm glad you thought about it because I know you're probably looking at me like, man, what is this fat cat talking about? RMS is a refined marketing statement. What does that mean? A refined marketing statement is basically a statement that helps me to understand that whatever product I'm working on, I always write out my RMS statement. So the RMS statement basically states that I, myself, my name, and you would do the same thing. I help such and such reach their such and such goals. All right. So basically we're breaking down how what I do gives you value, and your value helps you reach your goals. I said that right. Me handing out value helps you reach your goals of becoming a better entrepreneur or better business person or better, barber, better skater. Doesn't make a difference. The value that a person gives out helps you get to a certain plateau. So, real quick, that plateau can be anything, all right? And I do mean anything. But you have some that give you a ton of content, and my God, it's just outrageous on how much value that you get. Like, I recently went through a masterclass with Grant Cardone, and he gave you a workbook, and then within that workbook, he broke down certain elements that you needed to know and do, and how to reach goals, and how to do this and how to do that. And I mean, for an hour and a half to 2 hours, he's feeding you content. Russell Brunson feeds you content. Russell has 3 books, trilogies, the trilogies of .com Secrets, Expert Secrets, Traffic Secrets. .com is the framework of the .com, which is the website. Expert Secrets is where you become the expert. And then you have Traffic Secrets, where we drive traffic to all of the websites. I've read all 3 of them. I've listened to them on audiobook. We're back at it. Dan Henry is where I originally learned the RMS statement from. And so by me learning the statement from Dan Henry, I had to figure out how to implement it in every business that I do. So with me, I help t-shirt lovers rock t-shirts with funny sayings to express the way that they feel. Because you can say a lot through a t-shirt. A lot of people say a lot through their clothing. You can say a lot through a t-shirt. All right. I have one particular shirt that I have on my site. It's called if you're gonna be, don't be salty. Or my new favorite one is I went from mommy to mom I went from mothered to mommy to mom to bruh. Parents can relate to that. The value is that t-shirt allows them to express without deviating or making a person feel less than what they are. So you kind of want to take that RMS statement and tweak it to your understanding, your beliefs, all of that. So that's what the RMS statement is. It's almost that time. It's almost the time for us to get up out of here today. Safety first. You see, we got on the safety green. We got the mask. COVID's back in effect. We got to stay safe. But take and I tell you what, I will try to put it up in one of these corners here and let it state what it truly does. All right, I will try to do that. My new app's on my phone. I'm gonna see if it allows me to do that. Okay, y'all with me? I'm with y'all. We're gonna get through this. Our journey is from zero to success. We're talking RMS statement today. Again, if you like what you just saw, click that subscribe button, click that bell notification. Like, share, comment, all of the good stuff, baby. We up out of here, man. Peace.